Hi little kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful princess dress. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I complete to draw the dress. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here watercolor to color this beautiful dress. Here I'm using some light pink color glitter. Now I'm using domes watercolor plate. Let's color the dress as you like. Wow, the princess dress is looking so beautiful and so gorgeous. You should also try it at home. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with the new videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!